How to fix Snapchat connection error on your Snapchat. Today guys, I have the solution how to fix and solve this problem. Just follow this video until the end. First you will just open settings of your phone, and you will go directly to apps or applications, and on apps or applications you will search for Snapchat, and when you found Snapchat, just open it like this and then go to storage. And as you see on storage, go to the last button here in the bottom of the screen, clear data, click OK, and go back and go to first stop and click OK, and you go to your home page and update Snap again. And that's it guys, I hope this video is useful for you. Do not forget to like, also subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.